Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is an introduction to my every plate for this week, the unboxing. So this week, first of all, the box came in Friday, and I wanted to see if it actually works out with how long you can leave it in the box. So we went out, I left the box here in my counter in the kitchen, and the only reason I didn't do the video on Friday was because by the time I got home it was 9:30, almost 10 o'clock p.m. and I was not about to do a video at that time. So that being said, I did take everything out. I didn't go through it. I just put everything in the fridge. I put my meats in the freezer. And I did get the meats correctly, because don't forget, last week Everyplate messed up on my order and gave me like some stuff that I didn't order, stuff that I did order, stuff missing. So the meats were okay, and these are the recipes for this week. So tomorrow I will be making the saucy chicken and pepper stir fry. Let's see. Can you see that? Yeah, there you go. So I'm going to make that one tomorrow. Then I have panko ranch pork chops. There you go. And we have the creamy Dijon chicken. Here we go. So some of these, we did have something similar, but it was on the other one, the Hello Fresh. So I did order it to make sure that I do like the Everyplate versus the Hello Fresh, which I'm pretty sure is fine. I just want to compare it. But I did get the meats. All the meats were correct. That was fine. Oh, and the other thing I did differently was, because don't forget, I'm making, this is out of my grocery budget. So this week I did 3 meals for 4 people. And the reason why I did that was because I noticed, obviously I said it in my other video, is me, my husband, and my 14-year-old that I'm responsible for. But I do have my 23-year-old and my 21-year-old that lives here with me. But usually I don't cook for them too. They usually don't eat. They usually are picky. They order out. They're teenagers, so, or you know, teen adults. So, but I noticed that every time I made every plate, it smelled so good that they were like, "Oh, Ma, what are you cooking for dinner?" And it's like, I'm sorry, I didn't count you in. It's only supposed to be for 2. So, that being said, I switched it around this week, and I did the 4 people, and for 3 days. And I'm hoping that'll be, because I did notice that the meals did give me enough for 3 people. So I'm hoping that for 4 it would give enough for everybody, and I'm hoping it gives enough for my husband for leftovers for work. So as you guys notice with the pictures I take after the meals I make, my plate is very tiny. It's very tiny. I don't eat that much, so I don't think I should count as a person when I eat. So that being said, this week it was $68 for the 4 people and 3 meals. So it's still within my budget, so I'm okay with that. Let's see. Usually we spent $400 a month in groceries. And I want to say half of the stuff we tossed in the garbage. So this whole entire time that I've been doing the Everyplate, we had enough leftovers for my husband. Of course, I did not feed the 2 adults. Sometimes it did, because I wouldn't eat everything that, you know, my little plate is tiny. So whoever came first took the rest of it. And I did have enough for my husband for leftovers. So this week is going to be a little different. So let's see if I don't waste food. So the whole entire time that I've been doing Everyplate, we have not wasted any food. My refrigerator has been empty. And usually, I should have taken a picture before. Usually it will be full of containers of leftovers. If I show you my refrigerator now, it is empty. I think there's only one container there left. So let me show you. Empty. Empty. No containers whatsoever. So this was pasta I made the other day. And this is the only leftover I have. And that's it. And I'm pretty sure that will go in the garbage on Thursday because no one eats. Sorry, I wasn't even pointing. No one eats leftovers in this house except for my husband. So that will be that. Let's go back to this. Sorry if I'm making y'all dizzy. So let's go with the first one. The first one is the saucy chicken and pepper stir fry. So this one, so now when I read the recipe, it changes on the bottom where it says instead of 2, now you're doubling up on the recipe. So this week had to be interesting on how long it actually take to cook these because it's doubled the recipe. So I have 2 scallions for that one. So we have the 2 scallions. I'm gonna put it to the side. And then in here, we're supposed to have 2 sweet Thai chili sauce. Let's see. So here is, make some space. I feel like it's dark in here. I think it's because one of the lights is not on. So give me 2 seconds. Turn on this light. Make it more bright. Yes. Okay. So, as usual, they gave us a garlic for every meal that I make. So now I have still 1, 2. I actually have 1, 2, 3 from prior meals because I have my own garlic. And now this one is going to make 4. So the recipe, it has sweet Thai chili sauce. I need 2 packs of those. So here they are. And I want to say this was the exact same sauce from the HelloFresh. So I believe it's going to be the same. The garlic clove, so that's 1 garlic for all the recipes. So I have the garlic there. Cornstarch. I don't see cornstarch. Sour cream. Sour cream. Okay, so I did not get my cornstarch. Or am I not reading this correctly? Alright, so I did not get a cornstarch. Garden Italian Ranch Spicy Bun. The cornstarch usually comes in one of these packets. And from the looks of it, they did not send it. They sent Garden Ranch instead of cornstarch. And I don't have Garden Ranch anywhere. So the good thing is cornstarch, I do have some here. So I'm fine with that. But I am going to call them and tell them they messed up on this so they can give me a credit. Listen, by the time I'm done here, all these meals will probably be free if these people keep messing up. Ponzu, we need 8 packets. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The ginger is 2 pieces of ginger, and I usually don't use a lot of this ginger because it is very spicy. Long green pepper. So 2 long green peppers. And the white rice. And 2 bags of the white rice. So the recipes are doubled. That's 1. The next one that so this one will be tomorrow. I'm skipping a day, and then Wednesday I'm doing the panko ranch pork chops. So I did get the pork chops, and then this one is 2 panko breadcrumbs. Which over here, lemon. Do I have a lemon? Yes. I have my lemon. The lemon. Oh wait. Actually, this one has ranch spices. So they did forget it was the Italian seasoning, ranch spice. So they did give me the ranch spice. It's the Italian, the one that I don't need. Alright. Panko breadcrumbs, the pork chops I have, and then the carrots and it says 3 of the potatoes. So because that one has carrots and potatoes. I gotta say, I think this is a smackola load of carrots that I have here, but this is a lot of carrots. So we have a lot of carrots, and it's supposed to be 3 potatoes for this recipe. So this is a lot of carrots. Let me show you a lot of carrots. Look at that. That's a lot of carrots. They say about 24 ounces, but the meal is carrots and the potatoes with the pork chop. But that's a lot of carrots. I would have rather had more potato. Of course I would, right? And then 6 packets of sour cream. So 3, 6. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is so funny. Okay. Would be for this one with the 3 potatoes. Then I have 3 potatoes that go with the other recipe. So let's see. Let's put these all in here. Oh, that's a lot of carrots. So, dun 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 dun. So that is the ranch pork chop with the ranch seasoning. Okay. So the other one, actually, you know what? I'm gonna do another every plate with a twist, because obviously some of the recipes online you can switch your veggies, right? So if you don't want carrots, you can do some other veggie, but they do charge you if you change it. So obviously I did want to change the zucchini. First of all, the zucchini came broken. It broke during travel. But since I have so much carrots, what I'm going to do is I'll probably use half of the carrots and use it instead of the zucchini on this one. Or add it with the zucchini and give my hubby extra veggies. And then they only ask for 3 potatoes. So you have 3 potatoes, the 2 zucchinis. This one has Dijon mustard, 2 packs of Dijon mustard, 2 of the scallions. You have chicken stock, 2 chicken stock, 2 sour cream, and the Italian seasoning. So the only thing that did not come was the cornstarch. Did not get a packet of cornstarch, and I hope it didn't fall in the pack, but I do have some, so I'm not even gonna worry. I will call them and tell them that they did miss the cornstarch in the box. And that's it. So those are the meals for this week. So we're doing the chicken and pepper on Monday, the pork chop on Wednesday, and the Dijon chicken on Friday. So that's it for this box. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and God bless.